Shocking case studies. Richminds.com. Wilson Lowe grew his business using the GetResponse email creator to create campaigns quickly and simply with a professional appearance. With the campaigns Wilson has made, he has sent more than 100 emails to his subscribers. In a period of 14 months, he increased the click-through rate by 230%. Only Influencers, OI. OI is an expert advisory business for email marketing, founded by Bill McCloskey. OI publishes a weekly 411 newsletter with the most important topics, but they needed to manage their list more quickly and get better results. Using GetResponse's services, OI increased the opening rate by 128%. Click it up a notch. Its founder, Courtney Slazenik, used Aweber services to grow her list of subscribers with pop-up forms to gather information. Courtney's list went from 16,000 to 32,000 subscribers in 3 months. It obtained an opening rate of 28 to 32%, a click-through rate of 5 to 10%, and visits to her website are over 35,000. The current size of her list is 47,000 subscribers. Smart Business Revolution. John Corcoran started using email marketing to create a contact list and monetize his blog. He began building trusted relationships with users with the automated mailing service known as Aweber. He now has more than 24,000 subscribers, an average opening rate of 17 to 25%, and has average monthly visits from 10,000 to 12,000. Jared Polin. His strategy using Aweber was to get subscribers to his YouTube channel to join his list of email contacts. For this, he included a link to transfer the users to a landing page in each video to capture their data. He built an incredible list with more than 200,000 subscribers. ShoeZone. They hired the Pure 360 services to improve their email marketing campaigns, both the design of the emails and the subject lines. It increased ROI by 1,000%. Its sales increased 100% every year. Their click-through rate increased by 15%. Their opening rate increased by 2%. Website traffic from emails improved by 150%, and hard rebounds decreased by 0.2%. Craghoppers. Craghoppers, associated with Redeye, implemented a strategy to recover users who abandoned their shopping carts. Their plan was to send an email 24 hours after they left the cart. This strategy achieved an impressive ROI of 3,088%, an opening rate of 61.6%, and a click-through rate of 27.7%. Bags Etc. Bags Etc. stores sell bags and suitcases. They partnered with the agency Genie Goals and devised a strategy in which they optimized email templates so they were displayed correctly on mobile devices. This company achieved an awesome increase in mobile transactions of 1,511% and an 850% increase in mobile revenues. Mango Bikes. This company, together with the agency To Infinity, created a campaign that consisted of sending emails to users who had their bikes for 1 year and offered them a 10% discount on accessories. Mango Bikes achieved an impressive return rate of 2,337% and increased the opening rate by 56%. We Do Technologies. They contracted HubSpot services, which helped them create targeted email campaigns. They also used HubSpot's email tool to create newsletters and event invitations. The click rate had an average of more than 20%, website traffic increased by 54%, and the acquisition of new subscribers increased by 93%.